Selamat pagi, Bapak dan Ibu.
Hotib is working with his speech therapist. He goes by one name like many Indonesians.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He had smoked for almost 4 decades before doctors removed his larynx because of cancer.
Pada masa saya, merokok itu
Back in my day, smoking was considered a tradition and a casual thing to do by kids at that time. People say if you're not smoking, you're not manly enough.
A World Health Organization report estimated that in 2022, 70% of Indonesian men smoked tobacco, among the highest rates in the world, compared with only about 2% of Indonesian women.
I think it's being portrayed and being part of our culture that smoking is part of masculinity, and it's also being portrayed by the tobacco industry that it's cool for guys to smoke.
Olivia Herlinda is with the Center for Indonesia Strategic Development Initiatives, a non-governmental organization focusing on health issues.
Because of the high rates of smokers in Indonesia, we also have high rates of lung cancers and other heart and lung-related diseases such as stroke, ischemic heart diseases.
The tobacco industry widely promotes itself in Indonesia with advertising on television, sponsorship of popular events including sports as well as music festivals, and billboards. Public health advocates say these types of promotions by the tobacco industry face tighter restrictions in most countries.
So the tobacco industries have very high influence in our policymaking, and that leads to very weak regulation in our country.
VOA sent questions to Indonesia's Ministry of Industry as well as to the Association of Indonesian Cigarette Manufacturers, but did not receive answers. A report from the Indonesian Ministry of Health said the health costs from smoking are 3 times higher than the amount generated from tobacco taxes. Hotib speaks to youth groups about the hardships he faces after decades of smoking.
I need to breathe through this hole in my neck. My nose doesn't work, and my physical fitness declined.
He hopes sharing his experience will prevent some people from trying cigarettes and persuade current smokers to kick the habit. Dave Grunebaum, VOA News, Tangerang, Indonesia.